Today I will guide you how to add an email signature in Gmail using your PC. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then at the top right corner I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop down menu I selected Gmail and my Gmail inbox opened. Next, on the left side panel I clicked on Manage Labels to open Gmail setting. By default the General tab was open. I scrolled down until I found the Signature section. Next to it there was a Create New button. I clicked on it. A small pop-up appeared asking for a signature name. I typed, just type it, subscribe it. You can type anything here, your name, contact info or a call to action, and clicked create. Next I moved to signature defaults. Here I selected my newly created signature for new emails. Then I also selected the same signature for reply forward emails. Finally I scrolled down and clicked save changes. And that's it. Now every email I send from Gmail will automatically include my signature. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy guides.